Hey, what's up guys? So, dito sa video na to, i-share ko naman sa inyo kung paano kayo makakapag-create ng list of companies using Clay platform. So, what we are going to do is we will create a table na aligned sa ideal prospect mo or ng client mo. To build a list of company, just click on Find Companies. Okay? So, here in this section, this is where we are going to put in our filters para ma-produce natin yung lead list na based on your ideal target. So, for example, I'm going to build a list of software companies, and for me to be able to do that, I'm going to apply industry filter or select any industries na related sa isang software company. Okay, so select muna tayo ng tatlo. And then exclude one or more industries. So we would like to exclude yung mga advertising, company sizes. So for example, ang ideal target natin ay software companies with 2 to 10 employees hanggang 11 to 50. So we're gonna select these filters. And then select one or more company types. So if you are looking for non-profit only or partnership companies, then you can select that. But dito sa example natin, skip natin yan. Tapos, include description keywords. So you can include keywords like software, SaaS, solutions, platform. Diba yan yung mga common keywords ng mga SaaS companies. So exclude description keywords, so we don't want to target agencies, and then marketing. Okay? So dito naman sa location filter, dito natin masaselect yung location ng company. So for example, we would like to find companies that are located in the US. So we're gonna select US. Okay? So for the limit results naman, take note of this. Kapag ka naka-regular plan ka lang at hindi ka naka-agency plan, ang pinaka-maximum limit na pwede mong iset is 500. So, ibig sabihin yan, 500 companies lang ang pwedeng ipakita or ibigay sa'yo ni Clay. Okay? So, I put 500 sa limit. So, binigyan niya tayo ng 500 companies dito. Okay? So, what we're going to do is we will be importing itong list na to. So, we're gonna select import to new table unless meron ka ng existing table na kung saan gusto mo lang i-add itong companies na to. So, we're not gonna select that option. Instead, we are going to select import to new table. So, ito naman yung import options, and as you see here, it's asking us, would you like to add additional enrichment? So, meaning, bukod dun sa company list, ipapakita niya sa'yo yung, for example, company headcount. So, kapag ka in-enable mo to, bibigay niya sa'yo yung headcount ng company. Recent news, kung ano yung mga bagong news about the company, ibibigay niya yan. And equivalent to 1 Clay credit per row. So, ito pa yung mga ibang options, tech stack, job openings, but we're not going to select them. We are only going to download yung list of companies, or we're only going to use yung basic profile. So, just click this button, continue for free, and then we have now the list of software companies, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this list. So, sample list of software companies. Okay? So, question is, software companies ba lahat to? Let's find out. So, una, itong si Reliable Data Network. Okay? So, it's a mobile computing software product. Check natin yung website. Ayan. So, it looks like this is a software company. Then, let's check another one. Itong si SEC Edge. Alright. So, SEC Edge is a software company. So, our list looks good, but I would say na hindi lahat to are software company. So, pwede pa natin mas i-refine, mas i-filter pa yung list, and I'm going to create a separate video on how we can do that. Pretty much it for this video. So in the next one, ituturo ko naman sa iyo kung paano mo mahahanap yung mga contacts or the decision makers from this company list na kinreate natin. I'm also going to teach you kung paano mo mahahanap yung email addresses nila.